boom, it yanked the curtain back on all of these upgrades that were supposed to be happening, and we found out that they didn't. And we had this massive digital divide where kids were actually having to do their homework in front of the Taco Bell, right, just to get Wi-Fi access. It was embarrassing to all of these companies who have been collecting fees for all this time and not doing these upgrades. So what do? They raced to the legislators, all of our legislators, right? It would be fiduciarily irresponsible for them to actually offer 5G in these low-income neighborhoods, right? To build it out in a neighborhood where they're, first of all, they're not going to have the device. Second of all, the income of that household will not be able to afford it. So why would they even do it? It's fiduciarily irresponsible for these companies to even move in that direction, which makes, these bills out and out lies, just out and out lies. But they're such good lies. They're like fantastic lies because they've been successful in bamboozling almost all of our senators and all of our assembly members. It's crazy. So I'm hopeful that this webinar will help educate our elected officials on what's really going on, right?